Hello guys, if you want to translate a website or if you want Google Translate directly inside your Google Chrome browser as a side panel, you can install this extension. Simply search for Translate in side panel. So if you are inside any website, if you do want to translate a word, sentence or entire website, you can install this. This will instantly translate your website, and simply click on that, the side panel will open. Let me just install this. Once it get installed, the icon is very simple. It will appear right here. So now if you go to any website here, let's suppose go to google.com and I directly open this. The interface will open directly as you see Google Translate. So basically it will detect the text. You simply select and it will translate this. And right here you can select. So it automatically selected the language, which is Hindi. So let me select English language. So basically you select the word that you want to translate, automatically it detects and translate directly. So right here you can select the language. So it translated from English to Hindi. You will see that. You can select all the languages are there. You will see that. So this is not limited to only a single word. If you are want to translate the entire word, so basically you can select the entire article and automatically it will be pasted, and as you see that, so automatically copy to clipboard. We also have websites. So right here you select the website, simply you click on translate this website. As soon as you do this, the translation will occur. Entire website has been translated to this specific language. You can select any other language as well. So now it will translate to Hindi. You will see that. So it's a very useful extension, guys. You can translate a bunch of text, words, or entire websites. You also have images support as well. So you can drag and drop your images or paste from clipboard to translate images as well. So it has multiple support here as you see that. So it directly opens as you toggle this, it opens in side panel.